Hey everyone, I'm Kima. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My channel focuses on classy, elevated fashion and lifestyle. If that's you or something that interests you, I would love to have you here, so please subscribe to my channel. Now, in today's video, we're gonna go over some classy summer nail trends that are just great, beautiful, gorgeous, pretty for an overall classy style. Let's dive right in. Now, the first nail trend that is great and wonderful and gorgeous and beautiful for classy styling is your French Jello nails. I think the cool thing with the French Jello nails is that you can pick the color that suits you most, that you are into the most. So think about Jello, like the food, the thing you eat, Jello. Think about that and think about how many different variations there are. There's like strawberry, there's like lemon, there's the green one, there's the orange one, there's the yellow one. So whatever color in the Jello category suits you most, or you're feeling frisky or feeling for the summer, you can definitely dive into it. I think I would do kind of like a lemonade-y pink. So it's not too pink, it's not too bright in the French part of my Jello tips. And I think that would really look super cute, but still classy and still fun. It is a summertime, or nails are meant to be or supposed to be fun during the summertime. And I really think that the French Jello nails will bring out a lot of our creativity, bring new essence to our overall style or outfits. And for me personally, summertime is when I go a little bit more fun with my nails. I add color, I add like designs and stuff like that. And I really think the French Jello nails is still gonna be just so classy, but gives me the option to play around with colors in a very classy way. So get into it. French Jello nails happening. Moving right along, the next summer nail trend that is great, perfect, wonderful, beautiful for classy style is actually a color, and it's the black cherry color. So think about cherry. Summertime, we get amazing, just wonderful, sweet, juicy cherries. Those super dark cherries that is almost on the black side, but it's like a rich, reddy black. That's that dark cherry nail color. I was kind of surprised to see that it was trending because it seems more of a fall color, a deeper color. But then I remember in the fashion sense, for the fashion trend, one of the colors that's trending this summer is actually like dark brown chocolate color. And I was like, well, if a darker color is trending, or a fall-like color is trending in the summer for fashion, why can it not be trending in your nails too? And to really think about it, there are people who just love a certain color or prefer dark colors all year round on their nails. And this is the opportunity, you know, to continue to add that to your nails if you prefer, or if you always go for darker colors, there's a color for you. I think sometimes we think about summer and we just think about light, bright, and all of that for our nails. But absolutely, black cherry color is still classic, it's timeless, it's fabulous. Again, an all year round color. It's trending this summer. I loved seeing it. And by the way, there are a lot of, like when I was looking up the nail colors that were trending this summer, there were a lot, but I found it to be a lot of crazy ones. I'm surprised I got to pull a couple that are actually classy. That, you know, I'm like, okay, this is fun. Of course, we wear our nails however we want to wear them, but it's nice to see the trends that I'm like, ooh, classy, ooh, classy, ooh, classy, ooh, classy. And so I pulled these classy ones, and our black cherry color is classy, it's happening, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I can see black cherry color nails with like crisp white dresses, crisp white shoes. If you've seen my summer shoe trend video, then you'll definitely see that crisp white tennis shoes are trending. So I can see that dark black cherry color just looking beautiful and gorgeous with like light, subtle, beautiful colors, and also great color combination vibe. Like I can see that with like a light, super light lime color or baby blues. Ugh, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think it's great. I think it's perfect and very, very classy. Or black cherry color is trending for nails. Moving right along with our classy summer nail trends is baby blue chrome. Baby blue chrome nails are absolutely trending and fun and spunky and gorgeous and beautiful, yet still classy this summer. And I love the idea of the baby blue chrome simply because, one, summertime, the clouds. Think of the clouds, just bright and blue, beaming. Think of the ocean, you know, rich and glistening and baby blue. But then we're adding that chrome on it. And for some reason, it just transported me to like ocean. Sun is shining, and you know, like when the sun's shining on the ocean and you could see on the surface that glistening water with the blue. That's what I see the baby blue chrome represented for summer. And baby blue is such a nice color for spring and summer, and so you don't even have to wait until summer. We're still in the spring. It's a great time to experiment, and baby blue is not even like a color that you're going to be experimenting with. It's a really gorgeous, classic and classy color, especially in the summer months, that you can add to your nails. And if you don't want to chrome it, you don't even have to chrome it, but I do absolutely like chrome. What I would suggest if you're worried about the chrome is to do the baby blue with the chrome on your toes and then go just for your naked baby blue on your fingers, and that would look absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. And I feel like with the chrome, it will elevate outfits because it's not just your typical flat everyday nails, but you have like a little bit of oomph on your nails. It's summer, it's time to have fun, bring out our vibrant side, and I feel like it would just go so well with lots of like outfit combinations, outfit options, vibes. Think about like your denim, like plain denim, classic button down white cotton shirt, chrome baby blue nails, polished, gorgeous, beautiful. I think it will look so fabulous, and I think it's great for our classic style in a very fun, spunky, and creative way. So let's get with it. The next summer 2024 classy nail trend, I think it's so gorgeous, I think it's so beautiful, it's aura nails. Yes, you heard it right. Aura nails are trending. They're so big. I think it's one of the biggest nail trends this summer, and I absolutely love it for us classy girls. So think about like if you've had an aura reading or have seen an aura card or anything aura online. You know how your vibe, your energy, and the color changes based on your aura? I think it'll be fun to play with. Like you're kind of like, what's my aura like today? And choose that color. And you know how it goes into different color patterns, like the oranges and the yellows and the golden browns, or whatever the aura colors across the spectrum of colors are. I think it would just be great. Like you could find a color. Like for me, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna run like an aura test, and whatever that test is, that's the color I want to get on my nails for the week. Especially, you know, most times it'll have like a positive undertone to it. And let's say my aura reading is saying you are deserving of winning $1 million. You're deserving of $1 million. Ooh, I would be painting that color the same day. Okay, I'm joking, but think about it. I think it's fun. I think it's cool. If you have any kind of like aura products, like people wear those aura rings. I haven't tried one, but there are different ways you could, you know, test your aura. Just type it in online and figure it out and pick a color from it. I absolutely love, because I lean to like the more girly colors, I absolutely love seeing like the pinkies, the pink undertones of the auras, the slight oranges, and those just look so beautiful and gorgeous. They match my vibe a little bit more. If you have different colors that match your vibe, or just pick an aura color and ask your, you know, nail technician, or you can even buy, I'm pretty sure I can find online like aura press-ons that you could probably try. But the aura colors, the aura nails are definitely trending this summer. I think they're so fun, and I think just like most of these trends, nail trends, are a great way this summer for us to kind of like elevate our outfits, give a little bit of fun to our fingers, gorgeous, beautiful manicures if you're looking to have fun. And mind you, you might just be doing this for a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. My nails can go out all the way to 3 weeks, and it's just a one-time commitment, but it's something new to try. So definitely think about your aura nails. Moving right along, another trend, nail trend for summer is your American manicure. And this is a very classy nail trend. This is an all year round nail trend. This is just gorgeous and beautiful. It's timeless. So the American manicure is like a 90s manicure. It's almost like a French tip, but not so pronounced. You know how like with a French tip, you can absolutely see whatever color the tip is, like a typical white French tip. But the American manicure has more of like a nude or a white undertone, and it comes all the way out in a very subtle way where the tips almost look like you have like a distinct manicure, but not quite, and it's done in such an eloquent, beautiful way. It also sometimes gives like a milky texture, a milky visual look and feel, and I absolutely love it. I think it's classy. I think it's a very much a minimalist girl type of nail design or nail trend vibe, but also one that's very classy. So if you're someone who wears a lot of colors and you love a lot of colors and you don't want your nails to clash, this is a great one to try. This is a great one to wear if you don't already, and I absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. I think if you're getting married and you're a bride, this is a great way to paint your nail. It's gonna be absolutely timeless. If you're heading to any kind of event that require, you know, that subtle, graceful, opulence type of vibe, this nail trend is great to paint your nails this summer and year-round and in the future, you know, because it's very classy and classic. So let me know if you're gonna try this American Manicure. If you haven't already, I am definitely gonna do it because I love it. It matches my style absolutely, and I think it's great. I think it's fabulous. I think it's gorgeous and classic. Moving on, the next summer nail trend that is so pretty is your iridescent ombre nails. So in a sense, it's kind of giving almost like chrome tips, but not so defined. And with the ombre, it's not so defined, like this is where this part stops and this is where the tip starts. It flows in beautifully, kind of like how I just mentioned about the American Manicure. So it's a nice flow, but you're having like ombre nails, iridescent. And the cool thing about the iridescent feel is that you can also pick your iridescent color. Like for me, I like that white iridescent look. I like the pink iridescent look. I like the lavender iridescent look. I can also do like the blue iridescent look. I like the subtler colors. If you like bright colors, then you can absolutely do that too. I just love the idea of it being spunky, being fun, yet still remaining classy. And it's a summertime. I said it a million times in this video. We're here to have fun. We're here to have fun with our nails. There's nothing stuffy about it. We get to be stuffy all other seasons, but in the summertime we're having fun, and I love the iridescent feel of the nails and being able to pick a color that matches your vibe more, that you like. You know, everyone is so different about the nail colors that they like, that matches them well. I know me, I know that there's some colors I just don't go against, and I know when I go to the nail shop, I have to pick colors that are either having like a chalky undertone, a white undertone, a light undertone, so that it can look beautiful on my nails. I like a contrast on my nails, but not too bright. Some people like a bright contrast, but you can do it in so many different ways to keep it classy and beautiful. And I love that iridescent ombre. Kind of goes a little bit back to the chrome that I was talking about, even though that was a baby blue chrome, specifically a color. With the iridescent ombre, you can pick whatever color that will give you the vibe. And one of the ways to do it, if your nail technician doesn't know, is to really use that chrome overlay on it. So they can do however they do it, like your typical, you know, light clear color at the top, but then umber, and then a color at the bottom, and then chrome it over, and that will give you an iridescent look. If you're doing it at home yourself, you can do that too, like clear, slight kind of like blending of a color at the tips, and then using the chrome powder to just buff it over to give that chrome feel and vibe. And I think that's just gonna look so gorgeous, so beautiful. It's great for daytime, it's great for nighttime, and your nails will be just fly and fabulous and classy all summer long. And finally, we have summer whites. Yes, it's no surprise. Summer whites, I don't think any summer at all white nails aren't happening. It is happening, and summer whites are an absolute must. I don't know about everyone, but in the Black community, there is this thing that we say, like, summertime, Black girls, white nails, it's a go, it's polished. And some people credit Rihanna as like the white nail polish girl, or Nene Leakes from Real Housewives of Atlanta. They're like white nail polish girls, and I am here for it. Like, I wear white nail polish every single year, multiple times a year. Right now, the color that I have on, it looks a little bit white, but it's not. It's like a white with gray undertone. And this was the last color I got for my spring color, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so close to white. What I do like doing with my white, my summer whites, I mentioned that before, is to chrome my toes. So it's white toenail polish with chrome over it, and then white nails, and sometimes with a little bit of chrome tips. My nail tech is so good at doing that. I think I have a photo of the last time she did it. I'll insert it here in the video. But yeah, your summer whites, you can play around with it how you want it, how you want to do it. and have fun with it. You know, it's white. It's just white. How much fun can you have with it? A lot. The cool thing is that summer white nails goes with everything you wear. Looks great, looks gorgeous, looks fabulous. Even if you're wearing black during the summer with the white nails, it elevates the black. It makes it look gorgeous and beautiful. So it's a really good color to add this summer in 2024 as a spring trend, and no trend at all, but it is timeless, it is classy, and it's perfect for us. All right, so that's it. Summer 2024 nail trends that is perfect for classy style or classic styling too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out my other summer trends video, fashion, beauty, accessories. What was the other one I did? Shoes. When you're done with this video, they might all go out in different order, but they will be up on my channel, so definitely check them out if you're into classy and elevated styling. I definitely went through and picked from the trends that are out there what's perfect for classy girls and girls that like to dress in a very classic way. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.